Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a very exciting day. I set my alarm at 5 a.m. bestie and I snagged one. I'm not sure if they sold out, but I did wake up at 5 a.m. just in case they did. Because last time when I got the Pro, it took me 3 months to get it and I was not having it this time. Today is one of the days where my serotonin is tripled. I personally love anything Apple. I love Apple products. I just grew up watching the Apple keynotes and just getting really hyped for it. So I don't know if you guys are the same way. If you guys are, comment down below if you're excited. So right now I do have the iPhone 12 Pro, which has been well loved, and honestly it's not that big of a upgrade to the 13, but a lot of people who've been reviewing the phone said that it's actually quite the upgrade. So I'm excited to be pleasantly surprised. I personally use my phone a lot to take content, to record myself, to take photos, get the memory, gotta send the high quality pictures to mom, you know what I mean? It's really important to me, the camera, gotta take a good selfie, I don't know if you guys remember, but when I unboxed this iPhone, I did crack it, in case you guys didn't remember. We're gonna make sure that doesn't happen this time unboxing this beauty, but I will say I didn't get any of my cases here in time, so I will have to go to the Apple store later, but that is gonna be exciting because I'll film the whole thing on my new iPhone and vlog the rest of the day on the iPhone so you guys can kind of see the quality. Let us begin the unboxing. So I got the Sierra Blue and 128 gigabytes. I personally don't need that much memory because I transfer everything. I did notice that when this came, this did not have any plastic on it. So good on you, Apple. Ooh, I whipped you guys, sorry. All right, first impression. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, not me dropping everything. It's so beautiful. Even the sides are blue. I know I'm not the best at showing. Are you kidding? This is such a beautiful blue. I will never see you again after I put a case on. Ooh, she's crispy. Okay, let's turn her on. Hello? Oh, there we go. She's on, she's activated. Let's see what's in the box while that turns on. Let me set her down before I drop her. So in the box, there's just the cord. I think they got rid of the brick to be more eco-friendly or smaller boxes or something. It's literally just the cord and the phone. Oh look, how pretty. A little cursive moment, English. Let's see, accidentally clicked China. Oh, I could do a quick start. There's a little skinny thing and then I have to, technology. It says it's gonna take a few minutes to get her, unable to activate. Oh, I need to put in the SIM card. That's what I forgot. All right, we are back and we are setting up the Apple Pay and all that good stuff. I need to go to the Apple store now and get a case. I really do not trust myself. Okay, she is backing up now. Doesn't say a time. Hopefully it's not that long because I have places to be today. And just for comparison's sake, even though I know my iPhone's cracked, please ignore that. Here is a new iPhone. It's pretty much the same exact size. Obviously the camera is a little different. It sticks out a little less. I'm no iJustine here, but I hope you guys are getting the idea. It's basically the same phone. Upgraded camera, updated specs. I know it lasts longer. So now we're re-downloading all my apps, all my backgrounds and everything came back. For some reason, the screen looks a lot better, brighter almost. I could see the screen so much better. We're gonna switch to vlogging on the new iPhone and then you guys get to see what it looks like. Okay, so I finally left. I was in such a rush. I literally ran out the house. I look disheveled, but wow, the lighting already is so much better, so much brighter. And this is the front camera, by the way. I wonder how the audio is, but let me get out of this side elevator. I literally use the moving elevator to escape from my building faster. So we headed to downtown to the Apple store. This was a cool display I saw, and they just have some really cool buildings around here. This is the Urban Outfitters, which is also in a theater. It's super cool. Okay, so basically we're gonna go to the Apple store next. I've actually never been to this store, so I'm kind of excited to see it. As soon as I entered, they had these grand stairwells, so I plopped my way over, and then it had all this stone and intricate details. This is nice. Oh my gosh. This is a water fountain. Can we just admire all the details that went into this renovation? The molding, everything on the walls was super beautiful, and then you could see the store right there. The chairs are actually made out of Hermes leather, which one of the employees told me. But look at this, this is the downstairs view. How beautiful. I love this Apple store. Then I saw this super cool van store next door, and it had this little room upstairs. I thought it was cool to show you guys the dark mode feature. And this was taken inside my Uber. I had the window up, so there is a little bit of a glare, but this fun artwork I saw in downtown, and I always pass by. You guys, it is so gloomy out right now. It's definitely fall, but I think I'm gonna go to Whole Foods and get some goods, but I don't know. It's just very spooky energy right now. Like, the fog is unreal, but I don't know. How's the quality looking? What do you guys think? Let me flip the camera around and kind of show you guys the ambiance. You can't tell me downtown LA is not giving major fall energy, twilight energy right now. Look at all these beautiful flowers Whole Foods has. Their plant section always low-key pops off. Like, what? And they had Halloween stuff. What? Iconic. And you guys, I've been seeing this water everywhere and everyone talking about this Mountain Valley water. And look, there's 2 sections of it sold out. So definitely need to get that. And of course, I had to get some pizza. So I just got pizza from Whole Foods and some Mountain Valley water. For some reason, I feel like this water, everyone says they love it, and I've surprisingly never tried it. And I know you're probably like, all water tastes the same, but people really swear this one tastes different. I will let you guys know what I think. But right now I'm heading to CVS to also grab a few things and kind of still show you guys the quality of this new iPhone. But yeah. This CVS is low-key cute, but I feel like no one comes to this one for some reason, even though it's so convenient. Okay guys, so I needed tweezers, and then look at these tweezers. They're like $30. Have you guys used this brand? Please tell me the tea. For some reason, I'm really craving Dunkin' Donuts, and I need a chocolate sprinkle donut to complete my day, especially with this weird fall weather we're having right now. You guys, I just picked up a Charlie at Dunkin' Donuts. This woman is a genius. This tastes amazing. Highly recommend if you like sweet drinks. Hello, you guys. So I am back home. I decided to film my outro in the same location using my iPhone. Let me know what you guys think of the new quality. I know in some of the clips when I was outside, it was a little blurry because it was so foggy and overcast outside. So maybe not the best day to test a new iPhone. I personally recommend this new phone. I definitely like the camera a lot better, and the screen is just chef's kisses. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe. It really helps me out, and join the community. And as always, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!